It's the first of its kind. Keeping a constant eye on our star, it will help protect Earth from the Sun's violent outbursts. Introducing ESA Vigil. ESA's newly named Space Weather Mission will fly to a unique, gravitationally stable position trailing 150 million kilometers behind Earth. From here, it will survey the side of the Sun as well as the space between the Sun and Earth, reporting home in real time. ESA Vigil will help spot sources of dangerous solar activity before they rotate into view from Earth, as well as tracking enormous explosions that could severely disrupt satellites in space and infrastructure on the ground, threatening the health of astronauts in space or, in the future, on the Moon. Sunspots and active regions, dark patches on the solar surface, can erupt with solar flares that release tens of millions of times more energy than a volcanic eruption on Earth. Flares emit energy across the electromagnetic spectrum, from low-frequency radio waves to visible light, up to high-energy X-rays and gamma rays. Coronal mass ejections are giant explosions that shoot billions of tons of plasma from the Sun in magnetic clouds that dash through space at up to 3,000 kilometers per second. Processes associated with solar flares and coronal mass ejections can also accelerate particles in the solar wind to near light speeds. Sometimes, this high-energy matter, radiation and plasma is directed at Earth and arrives with an almighty bang. When coronal mass ejections strike, they can cause major disturbances to our way of life, disturbing and damaging satellite operations, power grids, aviation, navigation services, transport, weather services and telecommunications. Solar storms even pose a radiation risk, threatening astronauts in orbit and air crews flying over the poles. Data from Vigil will stream into ESA's Space Weather Service network, where it will be processed into practical information and shared quickly and freely, giving us time to act. Named Vigil from the Latin Vigilis Acceptus, meaning sentry, and Vigilia for wakefulness and keeping a devoted watch, ESA Vigil will soar into the dark skies, keeping a constant, careful eye on the Sun to help protect our modern lives and even life itself.